Cabilangan from 1CSC, and this is our group project of cinema booking. I am in charge of cinema booking, which display all of the available seats. For the users to understand it, we have a legend of 0 or O and X. The O is for available seats, and for the X is the reserved seats. We have a numbering above it, which is 1 to 6, and from the left side is A to E. This is to guide the users, and we have in our program we have a nested loop for the program to traverse it. We have seats of I and J. We declared it as seats for better understanding, which is a bit literally and straight to the point. And we have to exit the arcade. On my case is we put a brake line for it to exit.
Magandang tanghali po. Ang akin po ipapaliwanag ay ang case 2. Ito po ay ang bahagi ng program kung saan ang user po ay makakapag-reserve ng upuan at pinapapili muna ang user kung ilang seat po ang gusto niyang i-book, at bawat seat ay kailangan ilagay sa tamang format na seat code. Halimbawa po, A1 at B2. At tinitiyak rin po ng system na ang seat ay nasa tamang row at column at hindi pa occupied. Kapag valid at available na ito po ay itinatakda bilang book or X mark, at kinukumpirma na ang reservation po ay kumpirmado na.
Case 3 for cancel booking. This code handles the logic for canceling a seat reservation. Input and normalization. The program captures the user input and immediately converts it to uppercase. It ensures that if a user types lowercase a1, the program treats it exactly like capital A1. Since computers use numbers for arrays, but humans use letters for rows, the code has to map its way to the right spot. The row 0 cancel the char at 0 minus A. In Java, characters have numeric values. By subtracting A from the input letter, we get a 0 index number. The column C column, integer that parse in cancel the substring 1 minus 1. It takes the rest of the string, the number part, converts it to an integer and subtract 1 because array indices start at 0, not 1. Safety checks the guardrails. Before changing any data, the code performs 3 vital checks. Then check ensures the user didn't just hit enter or type a single character. Bounds check ensures the translated coordinates actually exist within the grid, row 0 to 4 and column 0 to 5. This prevents the program from crashing with an array index out of bounds exception. Status check. It checks if the seat is already empty. You can cancel a reservation that doesn't exist. Updating the system. If everything looks good, the code finds the specific spot in your seat's grid and changes it back to O. This makes the seat available for someone else to book.
Or the exit message. We will start by printing a message asking the user if they would like to exit the program. Only characters Y and N are acceptable as answers. The line exit is equal to SC.nextLine are used for allowing users to input their answer. and break so that the code would terminate and stop its execution and jump to the next statement. Next is the default case, in which we'll print the invalid input message if the condition or the expected output has not met. For the while loop, if the user inputs a Y or a yes answer, it will automatically bring the user again to the start of the program, which is the cinema booking system. Lastly, by using the print line, the program will display a thank you message for using the program.
Example, set ay isang jag-array. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba ang bilang ng set sa bawat row. Halimbawa, ang row A ay may 6 sets habang ang row D ay may 3 sets lang. Dahil sa jag-array, ito ay hindi pwede gamitin ng isang column length. Para sa code, ginagamit ay ang set row.length para tama ang pag-check ng set position. Makatulong ito ay para maiwasan sa error kapag may invalid sa set. Halimbawa, ang B6 dahil naging realistic ang cinema setting layout. Mas flexible ang program kapag binago ang dami ng per set per row.
So for the bonus 2, it allows the user to book multiple seats in one transaction by using a for loop that repeats the seat booking process based on how many seats the user want to reserve. Inside the loop, the program asks for the row and column of each seat. If it checks if the seat is available, the system will print O, and if the seat is reserved, it will print X. If the selected seat is already reserved, the loop repeats that attempt so the user can choose another seat.
For option 3, cancel booking. First, scan all seats. If no X prints, no seats booked, and exit case. Otherwise, parses input similarly, validate bounds, and that seat is X, not O. Set bugs to O. Single cancel per transaction. Uses a do while with loop. Flag for one successful. Cancel before returning to